Well, this afternoon I'm fishing with Bruce and Rich out at the lake. And this is my first fish this afternoon. He was a good little fighter. And about 13 to 14 inches, so a keeper. And here's fish number 2. I think this one's another keeper, probably in the 13 to 14 inch size. And here is Bruce. He actually brought a whistle to let me know when to get him on camera. And it's a piercing whistle, so it worked really well. So he's bringing in another trout. Careful, careful. Oh, it fell off. I think he was okay with that because I don't think he was going to keep that one. So here I am again fishing with 2 poles, which I do a lot and usually works out great. But today, this happened. Terrible, terrible crossover, and it was a huge knot. But it was a good fish, and I kept it. So here's Bruce again. Got another trout on the line. And looks like a little bit bigger one, so hopefully he'll get it up on the dock. You can see my shadow there. This was kind of later in the afternoon when we went down there. Careful. Careful. And he's got it. Okay, Bruce, pose with that fish.
Nice one.
And not to be outdone is Rich.
It's a little feller. It's a real little feller.
It's a sculpin. Pesky fish. Oh well, we had a wonderful afternoon.